She's my daughter, Morvi. She's studying nursery in Vidyasagar Institution. She was very active before school also. Now she is very good at in communication and discipline. I thanks to Vidyasagar Institution. And also sometimes I saw the teachers being allowed to children and every children. And for the kindergarten sections, all the teachers are very good and they are taking care of all the children in a good manner. So that is the important.
Hi ma'am, good morning. Actually, the environment, staff, employees, teachers and all is very nice. Principals are Vidyasagar sir and Nandu sir. They was very nice actually supporting for us. Previously I was working in somewhere else, so they are very supportive. Class teacher, everyone. Thank you so much. Now she is learned too much, so many experiments, so many before also she is reading, but more she is reading activities. So active she is now. So thank you so much.
Hi, this is Al Narayan. I'm the parent of Nitya Gayatri, studying in second class in Vidyasagar International School. So here the staff is very supportive, and I observed a lot of difference in my kids' performance also while in expressing herself in the classroom and along with in my home also. Observed a lot of difference in my in my kids' behavior also.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರಮೋದ್ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ ಈ ಒಂದು 5-6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ಲವರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತು ಅಳೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗಲಿದ್ದ ಇವನು ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಾಗರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್.